Remove all the parts, and if you have your own tools, the installation process will be smoother. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Align the front fork properly. Neaten the cables. Loosen the car screws. Insert the handlebar into the head tube. After adjusting the handlebar angle, tighten the car screws. Attach the front reflector to the handlebar. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. Loosen the brake cable. Remove the fork protector bar. Remove the nuts and washers on both sides of the front wheel. Insert the front wheel into the fork. Tighten the nut after installing the retaining washer. Unscrew the fender retaining screws. Install the fenders into the forks, and the fender support bars are also screwed in place. Retighten the brake lines. Step 3. Assemble the pedals. Confirm the left and right pedals according to the markings. Insert the foot pedal into the crank to tighten it. The right foot pedal is screwed clockwise, and the left foot pedal is screwed counterclockwise. Step 4. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat post clamp. Insert the saddle into the seat post past the minimum safety line. Tighten the seat post clamp and press the trigger firmly at the proper resistance. Step 5. Assemble the rear carrier. Unscrew the rear carrier mounting screws on both sides of the frame. Install the rear carrier and tighten the screws to secure it. Embed the screws in the rear reflector. Tighten the nuts after installing the rear reflector into the rear carrier. This concludes the installation. Please contact me if you have any questions.